Hello, in today's video I'll do the first setup guide and tour for your Honor Choice Watch 2 Pro. As you can see, I have this Honor watch right here, and I also have an Honor phone, but this should also work for any other phone, including any Android phone and iPhones as well. Because you just need to download an app. So on your Android or iPhone, go to either Play Store or App Store, and you should be able to simply find Honor Health app. I already have it here. You can see I have Honor Health, and we'll need to open it. Now, before we connect, let's make sure that our watch is turned on. So press and hold on the digital crown until it turns on. You'll see welcome here. Okay, and now you'll see the language. Let's select English United States. In my case, I'll approve it, and now we can connect it. It tells you to scan this to download the Honor Health app. Yeah, you can scan it to download the app, but I already have it. So let's, allow all the permissions. Let's enable everything, like Bluetooth and everything, so we can connect actually. And what I'll do is I'll click on scan. Let's do while using the app. And now we can scan the QR code. You can see it is loading, connecting to the device. So it is super easy. Device search timed out. Okay, if it doesn't work, then let's just click on add device. And it'll start searching for it. And it's found it. You can also add manually. To add manually, you just find it on the list, or you can scan the code to add, but I'll just find it on the list. Let's agree to the terms of service. And as you can see, it is loading. Okay, now the pairing request, let's approve it. Now let's select which wrist you have it on. In my case, it'll be left because I'm right-handed. You can log the screen automatically when you take it off the wrist, and you can create a pin. Here on the phone, we just need to agree to the syncing and complete. Now let's enable that, notification access. Let's do Honor Health and allow it. That will basically let our Honor watch read the notifications you get on the phone and get them received on the watch, which is useful. Let's allow all the contacts, phone calls, and everything, so you can also work with that. You can see now we can enable or disable notifications for different apps. I'll enable notifications for, I don't really have Facebook here even, or some kind of WhatsApp, so that doesn't make sense. But let's do phone. If you had like Instagram or WhatsApp, whatever, you could do it, of course. But let's go back to the watch and set our new pin. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, make sure to set it to something more strong than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that's what I do. And our watch is already set up here. You can see, I'll guide you through all the controls in a little moment. But first, let's go back here. Let's click on OK. And it's set up here. It shows us the charge level. You can change the watch faces, which is cool. You can check everything. You can do firmware update, which I recommend doing after setting up. I have the current version, but if you don't, and then you should update it to have the current version. Now let's talk a little about the controls on the watch. So when you click on the digital crown while the watch is enabled, You can now slide between different apps. I think you can zoom in or zoom out by scrolling on the crown. So that's cool. Then you can click on it again to go back to the watch face. You can slide up from the bottom of your screen to open notifications. Then you can slide down from the top of your screen to open quick controls to find your phone by clicking here. It'll play a sound on your phone, although, well, my phone's unlocked, so it probably won't play anything. I'll enter the PIN. Let's do it again. Click here. Yeah, as you can see, it starts finding it. If you can't locate it, you can turn on the screen for a certain time, leave it on. You can do there's lots of different controls here, of course. You can go to settings very easily from here. Now you can slide like so, left or right on the watch face to switch between different quick apps. So here's music, you can see, and some other widgets like weather and everything. You can click here to edit it. Yeah, the custom apps that are here. Then you can find your activity, your heart rate, your SpO2 level, your stress level, your sleep data, and everything else. And that is about it. That's all you basically need to know to control this watch. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.